Yesu makao yamerudo from heaven above. Makati wanatiri kure na Baba. You laid down your life for us on the cross. Makati zikinura tinotenda kunaka kwenu Yesu, tinotenda kunaka kwenu mwari. You laid your life down for the lost. You paid the price upon the cross. Through your blood we now belong. In your mercy we are strong. Tinotenda kunaka kwenu Yesu, tinotenda kunaka kwenu mwari. Makava kutitirarame, makamuka kutitikunde, zitare nyurino poreza, rino titosa kuna Baba. Tinotenda kunaka kwenu Yesu, tinotenda kunaka kwenu mwari. You died and rose again in power. Now we stand in grace this hour. By your love we are restored. We are children of the Lord. Tinotenda kunaka kwenu Yesu, tinotenda kunaka kwenu mwari. We now rejoice in the resurrection power. Takadawa kudava mwesezwa makada Yesu. By this the world will know. Tinotenda kunaka kwenu Yesu, tinotenda kunaka kwenu mwari. Murudo wenyu bachasiziba, murudo wenyu tichakukura. Jesus died and rose again. This is the resurrection power. Totenda kunaka kwenu Yesu, totenda kunaka kwenu mwari. You remove that veil of separation. Mukavura nzira inoenda kuna Baba. We're no longer slaves of sin. Tavavajivena kama muri. Tinotenda kunaka kwenu Yesu. Oh, tinotenda kunaka kwenu mwari. You gave us life abundantly, grace and hope eternally. Now inheritance is ours through your resurrection power. Tinotenda kunaka kwenu Yesu. Oh, tinotenda kunaka kwenu mwari. Makava kutitirarame, makamuka kutitikunde. We're now led by your Spirit to the kingdom of your glory. Tinotenda kunaka kwenu Yesu.